Grandma's going to make some biscuits today, right? Different shapes. So I'm going to need some plain flour, 6 ounces, so that's a 4 and a 2. So weigh 6 ounces of flour. It's not quite enough, so I'll have to open the new packet. Make it up to 6. Then what am I going to do next? Does anyone know? That's a bit more, but it doesn't matter. What's this for? I'm going to sieve it to get all the lumps out of the flour. Like that. All gone. Right, now I need a little bit of salt. Just a pinch. Like that. And then 3 ounces of butter. Nice soft butter. Oh, so that's not right. So I need, for 3, I need a 2 and a 1. So now I need to weigh out some butter. It's a bit sticky because it's very soft. That's good if it's soft. Oh, nearly. A bit more. That should do. So that goes in with the flour. And now a bit of sugar. Just 2 ounces. So that's easy. Let's find some sugar. There you go. 2 ounces. That's it. And I better sieve that as well. Like that. This is biscuits, so there's no egg. And the last thing is vanilla essence. Just a little bit. A few drops. That's it. So now I need my wooden spoon. This one. And I've got to mix it all together to make a nice lump. A nice lump that I can roll out with my rolling pin. So I'll just get a nice lump and then I'll make it into, I'll roll it out flat and then we can cut out some shapes. Right, now I'm going to make a nice lump and then get my rolling pin in a minute and start rolling. Right, so here's my rolling pin. Now I need my flour shaker. Put some flour down so then it doesn't stick. So here we go, let's roll it out. Keep turning it. Whoops, it's breaking up a bit. It's a bit dry. Never mind, I'll keep going. Let's get a nice bit and cut out some shapes. We'll try that first. Whoops, not going at all right. Right, here's my shapes. I think I'll start with, let's do a duck. Right. Let's cut out the duck. Better do 2 ducks. Two. What else should we have? A bird. Very seasonal. Maybe 2 birds, I think. And oh, just about fitted that one in. Right, I think I better gather up this mixture again. Make another lump. Right, this. I'll have another go now. I think I'll do a penguin. 2 of those. Put one in there. Oh, I can see there's a cat here now. Let's do a cat. Who likes cats? Another cat. And let's do something else. Pig. How about a pig? And one more of those and we filled up one tray. And that's it. Sometimes I put eyes on them with this, so let's put some eyes. There, I just like to make a little pattern for the eyes. And this is a bit too big for the cat. How about that? One for the penguin, 2 for the cat, and for the pig. There, we've got one tray done now. Right, 2 trays, now going in the oven at 160. So, it's just straight in. I'll set the timer for 10 minutes. Then I'll have a look and see if they're done. Right, that's it. Right, I'm just going to get my biscuits out of the oven now. So I'll put the oven off. And hopefully, and they haven't gone very brown, but I think they're done. It's 2 trays. Now I'll just have to leave them to cool down a bit, then I can get them off the tray. So hopefully we'll have some nice biscuits to eat later. That's it, they're nice and hard now.